morning students. Today we are going to study here this next one chapter in your textbook, this addition. We have learned this addition, but here word problems given. So write here addition word problems. See this first one example. Read the problems and write the correct number in each box. 3 chocolates in one plate. 3 chocolates in one plate. You write here. First one example is 3 chocolates in one plate. Two chocolates in another plate. 2 chocolates in another plate. How many chocolates in all? How many chocolates in all? 3 chocolates in one plate and 2 chocolates in another plate. Then how many chocolates in all? Means you do here addition of these two numbers. Here 3 chocolates and here 2 chocolates. Then total here 5 chocolates. See this example. 3 chocolates in one plate and 2 chocolates in another plate. Then how many chocolates in all? Means you do here addition. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 chocolates. There 5 chocolates in all. Then next one, second one, see here question. 4 birds on the branch. 4 birds on the branch. 4 birds on the branch. 5 more birds join them. 5 more birds join them. How many birds altogether? How many birds altogether? See here, 4 birds in one branch. Then again 5 birds join them. Means you add in 4 number with 5. Then how many birds altogether on that branch? See here 5 plus 4, 9 birds. Here below right answer 9 birds altogether. 9 birds altogether. And here right answer 5 chocolates. How many chocolates in all? 5 chocolates. Then next one example. Ajay has 7 books. Ajay has 7 books. And Firoz has 4 books. Firoz has 4 books. 4 books. Then how many books in all? How many books in all? See here, Ajay has 7 books. Again Firoz has 4 books. Then in 7 number you add this 4 number. Then how many books in all? There are total 11 books. You write total 11 books. 11 books. In homework you write these word problems one by one. Then next one, see fourth one example. Twelve children are in the park. 12 children are in the park. 12 children are in the park. And 3 more came. See here. 3 more came. Firstly, in the park there are 12 children. Then again 3 more came. How many are there now? How many are there now? Now there are how many children are in the park? Then you write here addition. Firstly, 12 children are in the park. Children. Then again 3 more came. Then you write here 3. Then total 3 plus 2, 5 and 1 means how many are there now? There are total 15 children in the park. Then next one. Fifth one. Vijay has 5 pencils. Vijay has 5 pencils. Vimal has 7 pencils. See here, Vijay has 5 pencils and Vimal has here 7 pencils. Then how many pencils in all? How many pencils in all? Total how many pencils? Vijay has 5 pencils. Vimal has 7 pencils. Then in 5 number you add this 7. 7 plus 5, 12. Then here total 12 pencils. Total 12 pencils. All these word problems write in your notebook. Okay.